Hi guys, we just concluded with Startup Saturday December edition in Bangalore, and with me is Manoj Kumar, who's going to talk about his company RentToys.in.
Thanks.
Hi Manoj, so tell us about RentToys.in.
So Rental.in is a toy rental program, and what we do is basically we provide branded toys on rent, where you can become a member of the Rent Toys family, and you can rent out branded toys. You place an order online, it comes to us, and we deliver at your doorstep. Very simple, hassle-free completely. You just enjoy the quality family playtime.
Okay, so what motivated you to come up with RentToys?
It's the problem started with our home itself. We have 2 years old Todd, and we faced the same problem. We kept buying toys for him, and we realized we are not able to make him happy because you buy it now, and then after maybe down the line 2 weeks again he is done. He is looking for new toys. We asked to a couple of parents, everybody said yeah, the same problem they face. That's it. There was an idea, and RentToys came in.
All right. So how long have you been in existence?
We have been in existence for 3 months now. 1 month pilot. We did it in a very small way just to check it out the feel from the parents, whether they are going to like this new concept or not. And then after we built the website based on whatever feedback we received from our members, and we have opened it to whole Bangalore, and hopefully if it picks up, open it to rest of the cities.
Sounds good. So how's the response been in these first 3 months?
The response has been really good, and as of now, frankly speaking, we are not really pushing people to come and join us. It's more like bringing an awareness first because it's a new concept, and we would like parents to really experience it first, and then after really utilize this facility. So as of now, it has been a good response. I mean, I can tell you, in 2 months after the launch of our website, we have been captured by DNA newspaper as well as Time Out magazine. So that itself tells that it's going in right direction.
Significant traction.
Exactly.
Great. So how do you go about renting toys to families?
So if you talk about how exactly it works for the family, it's a pretty simple model. Like 4 steps. They come to our website, they become a member, place and choose the toys from the catalog, and it comes to us. We deliver at doorstep. That's it. We just enjoy the toy.
All right. Great. So how's your experience been in Startup Saturday Bangalore?
Oh, it has been fantastic. Today, what came to my mind is where I have been so far. I mean, I think this is the best place to be, any entrepreneur, whether you are starting or even you are budding, because, here is an opportunity to learn as well as share to make others learn from your experience. So it's a great place, and I would, certainly, going to, suggest to a couple of my friends itself, be part of it, because you can, learn a lot from it.
All right. Thank you so very much, Manoj, and all the best
Sure.
with RentToys.in.
Thank you.